Working out does increase testosterone T levels, but not all exercise is created equal. Moreover, if you're trying to increase your testosterone levels, you may want to add other T-level boosting activities to your exercise program. 1. Resistance training. Resistance exercises are proven by research to help increase short and long-term T levels. Resistance training like weightlifting is the best type of exercise to boost testosterone in both the short and long term. It's been found to be especially helpful for men. A 2007 study found that people with men thing who did strength resistance training 3 days a week for 4 weeks were linked to increases in T levels right after a workout and over time. But the effects aren't the same for everyone. In an older study, one 30-minute weightlifting session increased T levels by 21.6% in men, but only 16.7% in women. And some research suggests T level gains may only be temporary in women. Another older study found that T levels increased in both young and older men after 3 sets of 8 to 10 weightlifting reps. But other sex hormones like GH were much more likely to spike in younger than older men. 2. High-intensity interval training (HIIT) for men. HIIT is another proven way to boost testosterone, but only in men. One study in men found that interval training consisting of 90 seconds of intense treadmill running interspersed with 90-second recovery periods boosted free T levels more significantly than simply running for 45 minutes straight. And other studies have supported this link, too. A study found that taking DHEA supplements along with 5 sessions of 2-minute cycling exercises increased T levels in younger and older men. 3. Testosterone-boosting foods. Fortified cereals. Eggs aren't the only breakfast food that can help low T if you have to watch your blood cholesterol. This is especially good news. Certain cereal brands are fortified with vitamin D, not to mention other heart-healthy nutrients. Consider incorporating fortified cereals into your breakfast routine to jumpstart your day and your testosterone levels. 4. Beans. When it comes to male hormone health, beans may offer more benefits than you think. Many legumes, such as chickpeas, lentils, and baked beans, are all considered good sources of zinc. As a bonus, these foods are full of fiber and plant-based proteins that can protect your heart health. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And for more interesting videos, subscribe to the channel.